Listen, the thing about the Russians, dude. Okay, let's think of this way, dude. Okay, Russia. What is their national religion?
They're basically Christian, right? They're
The
basically,
Christians.
yeah, they're Christians.
Orthodox Christians, dude. Christians don't believe in martyrism,
Well, I'm not
right?
saying a
You kill
guy's gonna.
yourself, you go to.
Well, I'm not gonna say a guy's gonna strap it. I'm just saying a guy's gonna get it here. There's clearly radicals here, sleepers that would help this happen. So you're saying you don't think
Even
it's
though,
likely that what the drones
even
are
though
trying
there's
to
a
detect is
radical,
nuclear.
even though there's radical Russians, if you want to call them that, right? They're all Christians,
Okay, well, so
unless you're.
you don't think it would be a payback thing, like, okay, we're upset that Biden is funding the war. Look, if Biden hadn't funded this war, it would have been over last year. The Russians would have taken
There's
what.
no there's no point of you know there's no point of any. I mean, I see no point of letting off a nuclear bomb inside of New Jersey, right?
So,
And saying, I guess you're a Ukrainian
so you're saying what?
terrorist or something.
Well, I'm just saying. Yeah, yeah. I guess you're right. I mean, because that
If
would be
you're a
World War
Ukrainian
Three.
terrorist,
I mean, if a Russian
if you're
rogue
a Ukrainian
agent
terrorist,
got one over here, it would be World War Three for sure. We're this
if
close.
you're a Ukrainian terrorist, if you're a Ukrainian terrorist, you're gonna let a bomb off in Russia.
Well,
Okay,
I'm saying a Russian
not
terrorist.
America.
Not no right, but I'm saying a Russian terrorist would want to get pay back the U.S., not the Ukrainians. I'm just saying what if the Russian suitcase nukes got to the Ukraine and then one of those cats, like we saw in that TikTok video, he got it or she got it, they brought it over. I'm just saying. So you don't think it's likely that that's what they're looking for in New Jersey, a nuke in New Jersey? You're thinking it's probably off the table.
It's misinformation. That's what it is. It's
Could be.
misinformation.